girls, in today's video I've decided to do something different, exciting, at least for me. I've got a present and I have no idea what's inside of it, so I'm calling it surprise box. I'm super excited to see what's inside of this, and let us begin. I will open it. OMG, I've got this beautiful makeup eye palette. It's from Revolution. You can see the colors are just magnificent. The colors are just amazing, and I can't wait to make one makeup tutorial with these ones on my eyes. I haven't expected too much from this present, I have to be honest. 45 different colors. Let's see what I've got more. Oh, I've got this really nice lollipop. Well, actually I'm gonna enjoy this one right now. I love lollipops. Strawberry taste, my favorite one. And I've got one more thing. It says it's waterproof eye and body liquid liner. Wow, this one I haven't tried NYX eyeliners before. I'm super excited to see how it works. Maybe I could try right now on my eye just to see the brush and everything. It comes in packaging like this. It says Epic Wear. Ooh. And it says it's for body also. Oh, it's really nice and thin brush. I don't know if you can see it. It's really nice and thin. And let's try it on my left eye. It is really easy to apply this on. Nice. Maybe I could draw one. I'm gonna draw a heart on my face. Yeah. It is easy to apply. Now I will check if this is really waterproof. I have some water on my fingers. Wow. Oh, this doesn't come off at all. Take another one. No, nothing on my fingers. Yeah. Well, I don't see anything else in my surprise box. I think I've got enough. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next